Hi there, I'm back from Sew Expo, which was amazing. I had so much fun teaching my classes, and my students were super troopers, making something they've never sewn before, especially with the materials and new to them machines. It was awesome. I taught 4 classes, and 3 of those were products that I had sewn because I wanted to pick something I was really familiar with for my first teaching experience. And that would be the Notions case, the double, and the project bag. I'm back now, and I have some finished product to sell, some kits to sell, and the double is now a pattern to buy on my website. So I was just going to go over a few things because there's a lot that I just kind of put on there. So first of all, here's all the Notions cases that I have, and I have 4 doubles here and 1 project bag. But if you would like me to sew one of the kits, you can do that too. So I'll show you that on the website where to do that. All of this is on the website, and just remember that there's a sewing pattern version for each of these items. There's finished product like this, and that's a separate listing. And then there's kits to sew together, and that's a separate listing. They're all separate from one another. So I'm going to show you my website here. So here we go. If you go to sewso.live, which is my web address, and you go to the shop tab here, you'll see finished products, sewing patterns, kits and supplies. You'll find the finished product right here. Now the project bag is in this kit listing, so it looks like it's in error since this is kits inside the finished product here. But if you go here, you'll see there's only one, so I just put it at the bottom of all these kits, and it's right there, finished product. Now, if you want me to sew one of these kits, you can go to any of these listings here. You add the sewing fee, which on this one, it's right here at the top. And then you pick the kit that you want, and there's lots to pick from here. And then you buy 1 sewing fee per kit, and I will sew it together for you. And there's this option for all 3 of these products here, even the project bags, Notions cases, and doubles. So you should be able to find something if you don't like these or you don't want to sew them. You can also always buy chicken boots from Jimmy Bean's Wool and Delaque bags. They have the license to manufacture, market, and sell almost the entire chicken boots line. So especially if you wanted matching items. Almost all these match each other, like there's matching components, but if you want an infinite number to buy, you can go to their websites, and I'll try to link it, but Jimmy Bean's Wool or Delaque bags, and you can buy them from them, which is pretty cool too. All right, so for the kits here, this is the Notions case, has a little clear front and stiffener inside, and you can sew this however you want. So you could put the clouds on the back and the sewing machines on the front. And you get binding and a zipper, stiffener, vinyl, everything. The label's not included, but I do sell labels on my site if you're interested. And the Sew Expo labels are there as well. So if you're from Washington State and you want that made here and it's got Mount Rainier on it, they're on there. For the double, this was a big seller for us. It's a clear bottomed bag with a fabric upper, and the webbing is also the handle that cinches it shut, which is kind of nice. And then the pocket you access from the inside, but you can see what's in there from the outside. It's about a medium-ish bag, and the dimensions are in the product listing. And again, you get everything. You get the vinyl, the binding, the webbing, the fabric to make one of these. You don't get the pattern and instructions in the kits because some people already have those, so that's separate. If you want to get the pattern, you need to do that, and it's linked in the kit description. This is a free pattern right here, the Notions case, and then double, brand new pattern, just launched it, so you can get that as well. Project bag's been on the site. It's a pretty heavy-duty sewing experience, just to warn you, and I will sew these for you if you like. This has a clear vinyl pocket in there. See the scissors in there, and then a divider, stiffener, webbing, document pocket here, little short pocket here, and webbing straps that fit over your shoulder. And all these things are fully washable and machine washable. You would just want to line dry them. Yeah, that's what I do this still all the time. Even the vinyl things, they can all go in the washing machine. So if you have some chicken boots, it's looking a little tired, just throw it in the washing machine. I promise it's gonna be fine. It'll perk right up. You'll be like, oh, I wish I would've done this sooner. All right, so I think that's everything. So remember, there's patterns, kits, and sewn product. And in the kits there, you can also have me sew some of those if you don't like the fabrics that you see here, or you don't want to do the sewing. That's fine too. All right, thanks, and happy sewing.